Hi, welcome to my channel. Happy Fermentation Friday. Today we are going to talk about SCOBYs and how they react and grow with different teas. Just one thing, the sound's going to differ. I'm talking to you in this microphone, and with the actual pictures that I'm showing, the sound will be a little bit different. So that would just be now and at the end of the video. Sorry. Okay, let's go.
We are going to talk about the tea we use to make our kombucha. It definitely makes a big difference because the different tea types contribute to the flavor, character, and health benefits of your kombucha at the end of the day. So I got curious. I wanted to see the difference the different tea types would make. So with this experiment, I've used the same sugar solution, sugar water to tea ratio. The only difference is the tea that I've used. Okay, as you may know, if you're already a kombucha brewer, you will know that white, black, green, oolong, and pu'er tea is all part of the Camellia sinensis plant. It sounds like something out of the Harry Potter movie, but yes, the only difference is that the way that they process the leaves. As you can see, we've got different SCOBY types here. You can see the SCOBYs are thin, some of them are thicker, but Huevos doesn't give you those thick type of SCOBYs that you are looking for. Now the SCOBY is more the bacteria, and it was quite interesting for me to see that it makes such a huge difference because as you can see, Huevos doesn't have SCOBY. The purity does exceptionally well. Yeah, but if we look at the facts, I've got this from socialcompare.com, and here somebody really did a great effort in comparing the different tea types, and you can actually see where it's harvested, the caffeine content, and it's quite interesting because black tea has the highest caffeine content, and they didn't list the caffeine content for the pu'er tea because I mean we all know that they are saying that the caffeine content of the tea matters and it influences the SCOBY and the health of the brewer or the SCOBY at the end of the day, and they didn't mention the caffeine content per cup, but black tea is quite high, it's 50 milligrams per cup, green tea 30 milligrams, and then white tea is 20 milligrams, yellow tea they don't, and oolong tea they also didn't list. But the health benefits you can have a look at, I'll link it below, and then you can see the difference in the production techniques and even how you should steep to get the best benefit out of it. And well, yeah, you can see even the opening of the jar makes a difference because as you can see, I've done it with a bottle as well, and you can see the bottle SCOBY, there's not enough air coming through, and that's why it's got thinner SCOBYs, as you can see there. So it's quite interesting to see the difference in the end result of the SCOBYs.
Thank you for watching to the end of this video, and I hope you have a lovely weekend. Enjoy your weekend and let me know what you are doing, what's fermenting on your kitchen counters at the moment. And it's winter here, so we are having winter kefir, which means it is nice and thick, so I really enjoy that. And I'm actually busy with another milk kefir experiment, but that would probably be uploaded next week. So let's see what I'm going to do this week. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.